Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and we are back in the building with another video. And today I am giving up the sauce. So whatever your favorite sauce is, you about to get it in this video, all right? So let's get to it. What I want to do is I want to give you guys all the tools that I use to run my business. Like, so everything that I use to run a six-figure, now one box truck empire. I'm gonna give you the tools. I'm gonna give you all the tools that you need to have when you get your truck and when you get your business up and running. So let's jump right into it. Let's go. All right, guys, so one of the very first things that you guys will need to purchase for your truck so that you will be in compliance with DOT if you were to ever get pulled over while you have a load on your vehicle, you guys are going to need an electronic logging device. Right here, as you can see, this is my Keep Trucking logging device. If we can get back in focus here. This is my Keep Trucking logging device right here. Right, a little small box. I usually mount my ELD sort of like right up in here. So that's where my ELD sits at. And of course, I got a really nice size, fits a tablet, fits up to 13 inches. And I got this particular holder, phone holder, from the Love's truck stop. So you can pick one of these up at a Love's truck stop. This thing is very, very aggressive. You do not have to worry about your phone falling or this coming loose from the window. This thing is very, 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 very tight. It expands 4 ways. As you can see how tall it can get. So if you do have a tablet, this thing will hold you down right here. And it gets smaller, or it gets as long as you want it to get, it will do what you need it to do. So this is good to have. Another thing that you definitely want to get, and as far as my ELD, I will put in on the video, I'll put this backwards. I will put inside of the video my contact over at Keep Trucking so that you can get a nice discount when you do purchase the ELD. Once you reach out to my contact over at Keep Trucking, you will definitely get a nice discount on your equipment. Also, you're gonna need one of these. This is very important. This is a Rand McNally trucking navigation. If you go over the road and you're dependent on your cell phone for GPS, you will be in some big, big trouble at some point, because you guys know Google Maps will drive you clear off of a cliff if you really are deadlocked on their GPS system. And it's not for trucks, it's for vehicles. You know, it's for cars, SUVs. But this particular Rand McNally navigation, trucker's navigation, ran me about 300 bucks. And I also purchased this at the Love's truck stop. So you guys can find one of these. If it's on Amazon, I'll drop a link down below in the description so that you can click on it and get the exact navigation that I currently use for my truck. So another piece of equipment I own is Best Tech. You see the name right here, Best Tech. This is a Best Tech power converter. So you can actually get real power through here by plugging this up into your cigarette lighter. It has 2 USB jacks on it and also 2 real live plugs. And you guys seen me use this before. I always plug up my laptop if I'm over the road and I need to, you know, plug up and check the load boards. I do that right from here. I always have full power when I'm out on the road because I have good plugs. I don't have to rely on just the USB ports to charge up my devices. So this is good to have. I actually ordered this on Amazon. This is a 300 watt power inverter. 300 watt power inverter by Best Tech. If you check the description of this video, I will put a link to this on Amazon to to where you can purchase this one. I don't think I paid too much for this. I can't remember the exact price, but I'll definitely drop the link down below in the comment section. This is another nice fancy tool. The missus actually bought this when I first purchased the truck. You can go get this Comfy Life. You can go get this Comfy Life butt cushion. It's very, very comfy, I promise you. It works also, it really works. And always guys, keep some spare coolant with you. Spare coolant and spare oil, just in case. Always keep some spares with you, just in case you have to, once you do your pre-trips, just in case you have to go under the hood and check your coolant levels. And if you need to top off your coolant, you always have some spare coolant with you. Anytime you're on the road, running Amazon freight or wherever, keep you some coolant with you. It's a must. Of course, guys, you want to always keep you some straps. Always keep you some spare straps. You can get straps on Amazon. I'll drop a link down below to where I actually purchased my straps from. So you guys can, make sure you have straps. You should be able to get about, typically I think about 8 straps come inside of a box. And they're generally like around 70-ish, maybe 80 bucks on Amazon. Definitely get the E-Track straps. If you have E-Track already in your box, make sure you get the E-Track straps. So you can just click and go. Right? Of course, you're gonna need that pallet jack. You got to have that pallet jack. My pallet jack is a 5,500 pound pallet jack. So if you're wondering what size you get, 55 pound pallet jack. I actually purchased this. This is a smooth pallet jack. Like the wheels on this thing are smooth. It doesn't make a lot of noise either when I'm actually rolling. So it has very, very smooth wheels on here. It's one of the smoothest pallet jacks that you can get. I actually purchased this pallet jack in Atlanta at the pallet, I believe it was Pallet Rack Warehouse. This one ran about 300 bucks. So you can get you one of these pallet jacks. And definitely make sure you drop your company's name on it. Get you a permanent marker and put your company's name on your pallet jack, just in case one of these weirdos at the facility happen to leave your pallet jack off your truck when they're loading your truck. So keep your eyes on your pallet jack or it may come up missing. Another thing that you guys will need is these load bars. Very, very good to have when you are moving freight. Even if they work well for Amazon too, like pretty quick setup. You just kind of, lock them in on both sides. There's several different kinds. There's also E-Track load bars. You can get E-Track load bars. Those, are probably a little quicker setup with the E-Track load bars. Click and go, of course. These, you have to kind of, as you can see how this goes, side to side, and then you basically, snap it in place so that it locks tight all the way across. So definitely you can give your E-Track, some breathing room. And something the guy told me that installed the E-Track, the company that did the E-Track, what they said was, a lot of times it's not that great to snap in from side to side going across. They said that actually puts way more tension on your E-Track versus strapping on the same side. Strapping side to side, if you're securing freight. Going across, that's what the load bars are for. Some of you guys probably didn't really know that, but I know Amazon a lot of times they'll snap in over here, snap in over there, and they will have these straps super, super tight going across, and you don't want your E-Track coming off of this wall, because as you can see how they're held in here. So over time, if they keep pulling super tight going side to side, that could actually wear out your actual tracks for your E-Track. Be aware of that. All right, guys. So there are just a couple of more things that I would highly recommend when getting your new trucking business off the ground. Now, this is more so on the back end. Well, I guess I can call it the front end as well. Something that you can do today is add one of these to your business. Hopefully it's in clear. If it's not, I apologize if it's not really clear. You can add one of these to your business. This is a Capital on Tap Visa business card. That basically means you can apply for this Capital on Tap card for your business, for your new business, right? And you can get approved for up to $50,000. Now, they will check your personal credit, but here's the beauty about it. It's a soft pull, which means if you monitor your credit, you won't even get a notification that your credit was checked, because it's a soft pull, which means it will not do any damage to your personal credit by just even checking to see if you can get approved for this Capital on Tap card. Several of you guys already have this card, already rocking and rolling in your business. You can run this card up. Just make sure you pay it back. You can run this card up and it will not do anything to hurt your personal credit, just as long as you pay this card back on time. I'm gonna drop a link down below in the description with this card. So this is one card that I use to immediately start building my business credit. All right, Capital on Tap. Next card is this Amazon Prime. I said Amazon. Is this Amazon Prime business card, American Express card. So you can get one of these with your business name on it. Get your business name on your American Express Prime card. This will immediately start helping you build your business credit as well. So I'm talking about giving your business a boost, a quick boost to help with that paydex score. This is another Prime card that you can use for your business. Check out the Business Prime. Another one, this is a quick one that you can get. It's a newer card. It's the A to B gas card, fuel card. Actually, you could use it for more than just fuel. It is a Visa card. You can use this card for gas, for repairs. This very simple application. You can go check out A to B. Check out their website, A to B. This is another card that I use to help build business credit quickly. Remember, you guys always hear me talk about building that business credit. It's one thing to start making money, but it's another thing to start taking care of the back end and the business side of your business, because it is a business. So you guys have to really look at it as building an empire. You're running a business. You're no longer an employee for anyone. You are running your own business. So you're going to need to start building business capital. Not just cash, but I call it OPM, other people's money. So this is something that you guys definitely want to have. Of course, I have several other cards that I use, but I give those to the members in my course. So I'm gonna give y'all sauce, as much free sauce as I can give y'all on the channel. But if you really want to tap in, of course, you can check out the sixfigureboxtruckbiz.com. You can check out the course, tap into that, or you can even set up a consultation with me and we can make some things happen that way. So if you guys notice something that I did have on earlier in the video, is this nice little device right here. This device is by Mano. It's a wireless microphone. This is a wireless microphone that helps give you quality audio. So any of you guys starting YouTube channels and you want quality audio, you can actually connect this to your cell phone, to your camera. I believe I'm gonna insert some clips of everything that is included with this microphone. But what I'm doing today is I'm doing a giveaway of one of these wireless microphones directly from the company Mano. So down below in the description box, you will see exactly what you need to do to win. After this video airs, 2 weeks after, Mano is going to select one of you guys. Basically, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. Like and comment on this video. Secondly, you need to follow Mano's YouTube channel. So check out their YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button if you would like to be selected as a winner of this wireless microphone system. It's nice. You should be able to hear the quality of it when I was outside, starting the video up. You should be able to hear what it sounds like. So that's a nice little quick giveaway that we're going to do. Also, I want you guys to also stay tuned in, because in February we will be putting together our first seminar. It's going to be in Atlanta, Georgia. I believe it's going to be it should be if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be in Atlanta, Georgia, somewhere really close to the Atlanta, Georgia market. Somewhere close to that market, we will be putting together a seminar. So stay tuned and plugged in for that. Will be myself, Trucking Out the Box, would also be the Box Truck Couple, and the homie WJ's World. So stay tuned for that. We will be doing that soon. So tickets will probably more than likely go on sale first of the year. So we're actually putting a venue and everything together for you guys that want to tap in and really get locked in and, tap into the blueprint, all of our blueprints, not only our blueprints, but everything that we've done to be successful in our box trucking businesses. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure if you want to win that microphone, make sure you follow the rules that are down below in the description. All of my contact information is down below in the description. All the links to reach out to me, all the links for consultation, the links to my course, this giveaway, the link for Capital on Tap, A to B, Amazon Prime. All this information will be down below in the description box. A lot of you guys watch the videos, but you never tap the description box to see what's in there. and you guys shoot me DMs, shoot me emails. All of my information is down below. All right. It's the homie Bigg Vic, man. I hope you guys are having an incredible day, and I will see you all in my next video. Always hustle, never stop growing. Until the next time, peace.